Hello, friends. How are you all? I wanted to share this experience with you all. This time, I was really sick. My throat burnt like anything. It was raw. I could not swallow anything. It was extremely painful. And I went across to my ENT specialist, and he told me, well, this is a classic case of allergy. An allergy of what? We didn't know. So we went through an allergy test and we came to know that this allergy was due to a synthetic chemical which is used in many food products by the name of menthol or mint. And when I looked into it deeply, I found that it is used in cigarettes, it is used in food, but it has a lot of disadvantages. It can even cause death. So I delved into it a little more and I wanted to find out exactly where I got it from, which part of my food was having it. So one day, by luck, I opened a packet of flavored fennel, which I am very, very fond of, and look what did I find in it. It was carelessness, definitely on the part of the factory, but look at the amount. In 100 grams of fennel, so much amount of chemical mint or menthol had been added. And luckily for me, it had not been dissolved and merged with it. Look at this. Then I looked at the ingredients. It clearly said menthol. So menthol was the villain that had caused me this allergy. And this was something where we had to think of. Now, with the disadvantages that I had read, they were all coming true. My throat was burning, it was painful, it was difficult to swallow, I was on antibiotics, and I had to remain for more than 7 days. The course had to be taken thrice. And can you imagine that this was one of the fatal effects, that it could even cause death, seizure, and coma? I wanted to highlight this fact to all of you all so that when you are buying something, please note that look, this is menthol. This is what I wanted to show you. This is menthol. But what is the right amount permitted by FSSAI or FDA in say 100 grams of fennel? I don't know. So this question I am raising to them so they can always answer. And I just wanted to come across this to all of you all, that when you are buying any food product, please make sure that if it has menthol in it or mint in it, then and 99.9% it is going to be synthetic. So be very, very careful. And this is so soft. I'll just show you. See, I'll just rub it and it disintegrates into very fine powder. I don't even have to use pressure. Look, so fine. And the moment you put it on the fennel and mix both of them, you will not even know that the fennel has got artificial mint or menthol in it, and which is so harmful. Now, the larger question is, which hits my mind, is that such a huge boulder, a pebble, for 100 grams of fennel? Well, this is an unanswered question because this should be answered by FSSAI and FDA. And when I gave a call to the manufacturer, I sent him a message, and as usual, there was no reply. That means the manufacturer is not bothered about your health. It is you who have to be bothered about it. He is only bothered about his profits. He didn't even care to give a reply. And then I decided, okay, I must give up this product, at least for my sake. Hence, I decided to make this video so that I could come across to you all and show you what synthetics and chemicals do to our body, how they harm our health. So this was basically the idea. So I'll request all of you all to spread this word far and wide, that whenever you're buying some food products, factory made food products, please be careful as to what the chemical ingredients in those food are. So this was the sole intention, that we all have to be careful. We have to look after our own health. Manufacturers are not going to come and look after our health for our own sake. Okay, so this is a message that must go far and out to all our friends and relatives and everyone we know. Thank you.